Understanding, Replace Old Plumbing, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and important phrase, replace old plumbing. Understanding this phrase not only helps you with your English learning journey but also gives you insights into everyday scenarios you might encounter, especially if you're living in or visiting an English-speaking country. So, let's dive in and learn all about what it means to replace old plumbing. Replace old plumbing consists of three key words: replace, old, and plumbing. Replace means to take something out and put something new in its place. It implies that the old item is no longer suitable, efficient, or working properly. Old refers to something that has been in use for a long time. It often suggests that the item is worn out, outdated, or no longer functioning as well as it once did. Plumbing involves the system of pipes and fixtures in a building that provides water and gets rid of wastewater. This can include sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and the pipes that connect them. So, when we say, replace old plumbing, we're talking about the process of removing and updating the system of pipes and fixtures in a building because they are old and potentially not working properly. Replacing old plumbing is important for several reasons. Health and safety. Old, deteriorating pipes can lead to water contamination, leaks, and even bursts that may cause extensive damage to a property and pose health risks. Efficiency and cost. New plumbing systems are more efficient, can save water, reduce utility bills, and prevent costly emergency repairs. Home value. Updating plumbing can increase a home's value and appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Understanding the importance of this task highlights why the phrase, replace old plumbing, is not only about a simple repair but also about ensuring safety, efficiency, and value. Discussing how to replace old plumbing involves recognizing signs that it's time for an update. Frequent leaks. Regular leaks can indicate that the plumbing system is failing. Water discoloration. Brown or yellow water might mean that the pipes are corroding. Low water pressure. This could signal blockages or leaks in the system. Knowing these signs can help you communicate effectively with professionals if you're living in an English-speaking country or enhance your understanding of practical English. And that's a wrap on Replace Old Plumbing. We hope this video has shed light on what this phrase means, why it's important, and how it applies to real life. Remember, learning English opens up a world of opportunities, and understanding phrases like these is a step towards becoming more fluent and confident in your English skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more learning adventures.